Subcontractor Approval 1.0 Create. The purpose of this flow is to walk users in the Contractors and Contractor admin support groups through creating a Subcontractor Approval record. This business process is used to add an existing or new vendor/subcontractor to a project. Click the plus symbol to open a new project. Type the project name or number or select from the recent locations, click Next to proceed. Click Construction Phase, click Next if already open. Click Contract Administration, click Next if already open. Click Subcontractor Approval, click Next if already open. Click Create. Click Create. Select the contract reference. Select the subcontractor record type. In Master List, select if the subcontractor is in the Master List but needs to be added to this project. If you are unsure, select in Master List and search, Add to Master List. Select if this is a new subcontractor that does not exist in the Master List. If you are unsure, select Master List first and search the subcontractor's name to verify that they are not already in the list. Click Next to proceed. Complete the required / and applicable fields in the vendor details block. Select the vendor by typing in the vendor name or by clicking the picker icon on the right-hand side of the field. The vendor ID and vendor name will autofill once the vendor is selected. Project vendor type. Select subcontractor from the drop-down menu. This is the only value that can be selected. Click Next to proceed. Select if the vendor is a third-tier sub. If the vendor is a third-tier sub, select Yes. Click Next to proceed. Select the checkbox for race conscious, only if applicable for this subcontractor. Click Next to proceed. Confirm that the subcontract is attached, and if applicable, the FHWA 1273, click Next to proceed. Read through the description provided in the license information block before proceeding. For additional help and information, click the link below to open a guide to when a business license or construction certificate should be uploaded. Click here. If needed, this flow will walk you through uploading documents after the address step in this flow. Click Next to proceed. Click Bid Pay Items Detail Form to add bid pay items. Click Add. Select the applicable pay item, click Next to proceed. Complete all applicable fields regarding item details, click Next to proceed. Provide remarks, if applicable, click Next to proceed. Click Save. Add additional bid pay items, as needed. Once all bid items have been added, click Next to proceed. Click the Non-Bid Pay Items Detail Form to add non-bid pay items. If non-bid pay items are not applicable, click Next to skip this section of the flow. There will be a 15 seconds pause, before the flow kicks back to the next step in the flow. Click Add. Select the pay item number. Provide the applicable item details, click Next to proceed. Add comments, as needed, click Next to proceed. Click Save. Add additional non-bid pay items, as needed. Once all non-bid items have been added, click Next to proceed. Click Address. Click Add. Complete all required / and applicable fields, click Next to proceed. Click Save. If the business license or contractor registry certificate needs to be uploaded to this record, click Subcontractor Approval to return to the upper form. If the business license or contractor registry do not need to be added to this record, click Next. There will be a brief pause before the flow resumes. Click the Attach icon to attach the required documents to this record. Click Browse. Drag and drop the applicable documents here or click to select the documents from your File Explorer. Subcontract. Business License. Registry Certificate. FHWA 1273. Click Upload. Click Send. Click Send. Click OK. You have completed this task.